YouTube. Is that you? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. Find out who's your boy. I'm new to this YouTube game. Support, because it doesn't cost, if you understand what I mean. But today I'm gonna be talking about today I'm actually talking about how to level up as a young man. Yeah, how to level up as a young man. So please like, subscribe, share, hit the post notification to find out more about your boy Billy Loves. And let's get to it. Let's go. So actually improving yourself, you need small umbrella things like if you would ask anyone, how can you level up as a young man right now? Okay, how can I level up as a young man right now? First, I would say I need to look. Let's forget about looks. Before looks, I need to get my mental straight. I need to get my thinking, my mentality, how I move, how I think, how I analyze situations. Because most of your life, or more, the rest of your life is in your head. The rest of your life, or the whole of your life, you've been in your head. You understand what I mean? Something happens, you're thinking. Yeah, while walking, you're thinking. While sleeping, you're dreaming. You're in your head. So what I would say is, you must actually level up on how you can actually level up by thinking. You have to think. That didn't make sense. What I'm trying to say is, you actually have to find new information. Don't be like restricted to yourself and be like, nah, I know much, and like you don't want to learn more from other people, from books, from podcasts, from just in general. You have to learn more. You have to read books. I'm not talking about school books. You will have to read school books, but you also have to read like knowledge kind of books which will actually get you there. Books like Rich Dad Poor Dad, books like How to Make 50 Million, if that book even exists. Books like How to Win Friends and Influence People, books which actually talk about the human mind, books on how people think, books on how you can elevate yourself in life, books on how you can go to gym, books, those kind of books. You have to read those kind of books in life before we even talk about how you have to look. You have to first take care of your mental. If you are religious, you have to read the Bible. No, not the Bible, I'm Christian, but if you're like a religious kind of a person, like you're Muslim, you're Jewish, any kind of religion which you're in, read your book which are there. Read the Quran, read the Bible, read those kind of books which are actually there for your religion. If you get what I'm saying, actually have to get to the knowledge of reading. Sorry guys for how I speak, I'm still learning. With time I will get used to the kind. But if you understand what I'm saying, the second thing for you to elevate yourself is your looks. Yeah, you need to elevate how you look, because your looks are how you present yourself. Your looks is art. If you understand what I'm saying, how you look says a lot about you, cause it's you. How you look says a lot about you, cause it's actually you. So to fix this, what I'm saying is, guys, let me actually look into your eyes. What I'm saying is, take care of your body. Take care of your body. Be considerate of what you eat. also a victim of that. I'm not actually considerate, but I'm actually studying. Be considerate of what you eat. Always drink water. Take care of your skin, facial skin. I actually started my skincare routine last year November, which is like 4 months ago. Yeah, which is like 4 months ago. Now it's about end of Feb, too much. So it's like 4 months ago. That's when I started my skincare routine. Please check out that video before this one. Please check out that video. How actually you see it up here or here or here. You see it in the screen. But you have to take care of your skin. So right now, as you can see, my skin is not yet in its peak, but it's getting there. With time, follow, subscribe to see my journey. What's gonna be the best, girl? Wait for it. So you have to take care of your skin. How? You have to cleanse your skin, moisturize your skin, and hydrate your skin. Cleanse your skin, hydrate your skin, and protect your skin. Sorry guys, you have to cleanse your skin, hydrate your skin, and protect your skin. You cleanse your hair. I personally use the CeraVe cleanser. I moisturize with the CeraVe moisturizer, and I protect my skin with the SPF. I use this one, SPF 30, damn Opal. But between cleansing and moisturizing, you can add treatments or medicated serums, stuff like that, which are gonna be there for a specific problem. Like mine is actually hyperpigmentation, post-acne hyperpigmentation, and sometimes I actually get breakouts. So I'm actually gonna be buying a serum, vitamin C serum, retinol and vitamin C. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be buying these two. So if you have that problem, that's what you need to do. Also, you need to check out other videos which talk more about skincare, because I'm not a dermatologist. I just am talking of what I use and what is working for me at the moment and what I believe will work for me, if you understand what I'm saying. So you must take care of your skin. After taking care of your skin, also take care of your body. Gym. You have to gym your body. Most girls like a fit taper kind of a man, thin waist, big shoulders and type. Check out other videos. I don't know if I have that video yet, but subscribe, because I'm gonna do a video about that, about me going to gym and stuff like that. So you need to check on those type of things. So yeah. So after that, you need to also eat healthy food, drink water. Okay, I actually say something like that. That's how actually you haven't leveled up yet. You have done maybe 75% of the work. Let me say 60%. You have done 60% of the work. What's left is the other 40%. You're left with 40% of the work. 60% you have done your skin. Your skin now looks nice. You have done your body. Your body now looks nice. Oh, I actually skipped something. You need to also do your hair, your beard, your mustache, your eyelashes. Like you have to, your armpit, your hair in general, your body hair. You have to take care of that. Get a nice hairstyle which is gonna suit you. I'm not gonna edit this video. This nice, you have to get a nice cut which is gonna suit you, and it's gonna be for you, and it's gonna look good on you. So right now my hair doesn't look nice, doesn't look pleasing. Damn, I'm actually lacking. So my hair doesn't even look nice, doesn't look pleasant. So I'll actually do my hair tomorrow or something. Yeah, so that's what I was saying. Next up on the list is hustle. You had to hustle, you have to grind, you have to do something. Just do something. Because right now, for me to be here today now, I wouldn't be doing this video if I wasn't thinking of hustling, because it's just a grind. Just do something. Just do something. Don't let it be in your head, because me doing YouTube was always in like, I'm gonna do YouTube, and then I'm gonna do YouTube. It was in my head. Now I'm actually doing the YouTube. So this is the YouTube. So actually grind, do something which is gonna actually generate some type of money, or actually learn something which will generate you some type of money. So actually me, I'm still a student. So right now I'm doing YouTube. I'm actually thinking of going hard on social media, do YouTube, do all these things. I'm actually thinking of going hard on all of these platforms. TikTok, utilize YouTube, utilize Instagram. I don't know about Twitter, I don't know about that one, those type of stuff. And yeah, you have to stop. This video actually is about grinding, because most people, we tend not to grind because of we are lazy. I was lazy until I started this video, so I'm no longer lazy. So I'm out of the game. Until I post this. If you're seeing this video, it's chai. I'm not part of you. We're not the same. Me and you are not the same. So actually do something with your life. Do something. Do YouTube. You can do YouTube. Actually, now I'm short of funds. You can do forex, you can do dropshipping, you can do affiliate marketing, you can do social media, you can do you can go sell something, you can actually start a business, you can do many things which I'm planning to do, and I can't say it here until I do it. Understand? So let's do something as gents, as men. Let's do something. Let's keep pushing. Let's go for what we actually want, even if we don't want it, but let's do something. You never know where this thing can take you. You understand? I also don't know where I'm gonna end up from here, but I hope I end up somewhere where it's gonna benefit me. You understand? Guys, please like, subscribe, share, because I actually think that the video is gonna end somewhere here. So please like, subscribe, share, hit the post notification bell, and see where your boy is gonna end with his skincare journey.